Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to mount the 60-inch fireplace I got off Amazon over a year ago. It has a touch screen and comes with a remote control, 12 different color changes, and adjustable heat. And if you haven't watched my last video of me hanging the television above this fireplace, then go check it out. Here I've already marked and measured where I want to place the bracket. I encourage you to watch the full video, and even if you don't, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below because it helps the algorithm. Plus, I would love to hear your positive feedback. Here I'm leveling and mounting the bracket to my desired height. Some features with this fireplace has 12 unique flames, 5 levels of brightness, and tempered glass panels with the mirror effects, and an auto heat safety feature. Also, the versatile design options with a sleek and space-saving thickness, this Fox fireplace is a perfect fit for any room. It can be wall-mounted, inserted into a wall, or placed freestanding with the included hardware. Y'all, I didn't expect on being in another single dwelling home so soon after selling my home in Kansas City, Missouri, but God had His own way of blessing me. Okay, I have a random fun fact. Did you know Rhode Island was the smallest state in the United States? Also, did you know the world's oldest living person was 117 years old? Her name was Emma Martina. She was born in the 1800s, 1899 to be exact, and passed away April 15, 2017. I'm keeping my eye on that bubble. It's an indication that my bracket is leveled. This fireplace is no lightweight, and I had to hang the notches right up against the bracket in order for it to hang properly. There, I got it hung. I think I was taking the fireplace too far above the bracket, and that's why I couldn't get it to hang. But here you go. Thank God it's now flush and I'm ready to give it power. And here are all the colors, and all the colors are gorgeous, and I think I like the white one the best. And comment down below which color you like the best. I think I hung that television a few weeks prior to hanging that fireplace. This fireplace has energy saving options. Switch between 750 watts or 1500 watts for rapid heating. This recessed fireplace warms up any space up to 400 square feet, helping you stay cozy while saving on energy. This fireplace brought a designing look to my living room. And if you wanted to give your home a facelift, this is one way to do it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below.